Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on asking some or all apps to not track you on your iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select Privacy. In Privacy, select Tracking. If you disable the first option here called Allow Apps to Request to Track, it will prevent all apps from tracking your activity across other companies' apps and websites. When the option is enabled like it is by default, when you are using the app, you will get a pop-up asking permission to track you, which you can accept or deny. You can see a list of the apps that have asked permission to track you here, and you can revoke permission to track you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.